warning for southern Christian County, Kentucky, central Cobb County, Kentucky, until 4:45 p.m. At 3:53 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles northwest of Fort Campbell, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-sized hail. This is a radar indicated
The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Christian County in south central.
Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hopkinsville, Oak Grove, Elkton, Fort Campbell, Pembroke, Trenton, Lafayette, Allegra, and Herndon. This includes the following highways: Interstate 24 in Kentucky between mile markers 71 and 88. Penny Ryle Parkway between mile markers 1 and 12. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. for the following counties in Kentucky: Christian and Todd,
Elkton, Fort Campbell, Pembroke, Trenton, Lafayette, Allegra, and Herndon. This includes the following highways: Interstate 24 in Kentucky between mile markers 71 and 88. Penny Ryle Parkway between mile markers 1 and 12. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.